Hi, my name is Kev Lavery, and today I'll be showing you how to add additional modules to the content area of your Connect unit. What are modules? Well, modules are a way to organise and arrange your learning materials in Connect. They're like chapters and can be used to group resources and activities together into a logical sequence and order. In the content area, the modules appear within the table of contents on the left. On a smaller screen, the table of contents will appear at the top, and the topics of the module you have open will appear at the bottom. At the end of your table of contents, there's an option to add a module, which I'm going to select. We're going to add a module of extra reading that might be useful for students but isn't essential to be sequenced into the unit, an opportunity for students to extend their learning. With my title added, I can press enter, or I can just select outside of the text field and that will create the module. The page will refresh and let us know that we've successfully created our module. The module will now appear at the bottom of the table of contents. From here, you can start to add content topics to your module to populate it with additional content. You can also create a submodule inside an existing module by selecting the Add a Submodule field and following the same process. Although you could make sub-submodules, it's something best to avoid. It's good practice not to bury learning material too deep, as this can make it difficult for students to find what they're looking for. Keeping your module structure fairly flat will help your students navigate easily through your learning materials and activities.